Popular social media star taken out in car crash. And we at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to the family and friends of Lexi and Williams. When we return and have the exclusive details of this to come on the program, this is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. A bit of sad news to bring to you right now on the program, and is that popular social media influencer Lexi Bess, that's what she's called on Instagram, YouTube, and a number of other social media platforms. And she would have just been featured in the popular online TV series, I should say, 876 Roommate, and also in the Richard Brown films. Sad to say that she passed away this afternoon in a serious motor vehicle accident on the North Coast Highway in Spring Hill, Trelawney. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to express our sincere condolences to the family and friends. But before we actually get into the actual video, let me just bring you back with some memories of her.
So at this point, I do have the scores in my hand right here, and I will be announcing the winner. Guys, are you ready? Yeah. And the winner is, according to the scores,
876.
I just pull up for the mansion. Everybody again, everybody has strength in the comedy video them put on Instagram. Where that next? Hey, you go tired enough because we not interviews you. You shouldn't fly, come over here. Come. Comfortable. I not now worry about. I not fret. I know how to do my thing. So we not watch nobody.
it's Lexi the Bess with the top score of 380 points.
And is also a popular face on the Richard Brown films.
You know, so answer, why you step on me like that? You're afraid of me, no? Love you, no? I remember your friend now putting on harm's way, you know? Come on. Let's go. I was like, go.
I don't get it. Come on, come. Give me a kiss now.
Alright, later, baby.
Oh my god, my crush. I'm nervous.
What's up, Bess?
Hey.
You good?
Yeah.
So I'm glad you called because I miss you.
I miss you too.
Really?
Yes, think.
So you have for your mind like that?
If you didn't think about you like every day you want me to go bed.
Can't imagine that cute face right now, babe. So you have on.
I have on one black pants strap blouse. I want brown shorts.
Shorts. What's the stick feeling it like always? So you can't be the calm about?
No, me make a bike slow. Me can't be the car.
Really?
I don't want to hang up.
We don't want to hang up either, boo.
You first hang up.
What I mean first to hang up?
Please, me can't hang up.
A little bit too much. Alright, we'll go hang up. Kisses, kiss me.
You see anyone long the boy there in prison? And me I said they film. 3 years, I mean, I like that. And the boy that he said, nah, go look for me.
I know say boy innocent.
Innocent, come here, say life imprisonment in gate. Yes. Yeah. Jesus Christ, we said them wicked. That means I said them wicked, eh? Oh, so food. You know something to eat already? Yeah, but me we try to taste a little bit. Yeah, I want wicked them. That's why I tap to tell us say yes. That's why I not go around them. Oh, cause them wicked.
How wicked?
Wicked. Clown fine. Me can get 2 pounds of chicken back, please, and a pound of flour.
Alright, let me add up that.
Eh?
In the meantime, give me the money.
The money?
Yeah, the money.
The money.
Alright. Alright, so everything comes to $500. Alright? Miss, you have to make it snappy. We have other persons behind you. You know why you're moving that slow. But no sir. Wait. Miss, you can hurry up for me, please.
Here.
Thanks.
It's an hour.
So those were some clips of Lexian Williams, popular social media sensation. Sad to say she passed away just a few hours ago in a very serious motor vehicle accident, and she would have been doing this for some time now. And just to make it so ironic was that the first time I actually saw her was actually on 876 Roommate, which she dominated that competition to the extent to which she was crowned the actual champion of the competition. And I can tell you that she has been doing her thing, and she has captured the hearts of many right around the world. And I can tell you that it's very sad right now to see what really transpired to her, and those that would have worked with her right now, I know that they're feeling this to the point that they are in total disbelief. Because when I first saw this a few hours ago, I was in total shock. I must say, I could not believe what I saw. And after I did some my own investigation, I actually found out that this was actually true. And tell you right now, it's just a very sad moment right now, because I recently saw her in a number of Richard Brown films, and she has actually been doing her thing and capturing so many fans right across the world, and she has garnered the love of the local and even international people as well. And I can see that she had a real talent in this era. And I just want to say right now, condolences to the family, the friends, and those that would have worked with her on numerous productions during her lifetime. But it's very sad to see what really transpired to her right now, and words cannot even begin to express how the local comedic fraternity right now is actually feeling. And number of her fans right now have took to social media just in order to express condolences to her as news spread of the untimely passing of such a young and promising female in the entertainment business and also the acting arena as well, which is very sad right now. But this is where I believe I'm going to leave this report though. Thanks for watching, and just leave a comment in the comment section and just let me know how you feel about this incident. and just try to be safe out there, especially when you're traversing the streets, because up to this point it's unclear what really transpired in this accident. However, you can see that someone was speeding to the extent of the damage of the motor vehicles, and it's very sad to see what happened. We're gonna leave this report now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Have a blessed and productive day, and we here again at Links 007 TV just want to express our sincere condolences to her friends, family, and those that would have worked with her in the entertainment and also the comedic world. Thanks for watching.